Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, ears, eyes, nose and mouth, ears, eyes, nose and mouth. How are you? Are you okay? You're excited? Super excited! Wow, it's your Teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to Easy Elimu, Learning Simplified. Now, we've been discussing about body care, and we discussed different ways in which we are going to clean our different parts of the body. And we have done so. Remember yesterday, which part of the body did we clean? Teacher, we cleaned our teeth. That is basically the oral hygiene. Now, we are supposed to clean our feet, we are supposed to clean our face, our hair, head, all the parts of the body. But now, we are going to clean our hands. Then, when we go back to class, we are going to write the steps for cleaning the other parts of the body so that when you go home, what have I said? When you go home, remember to clean your doll and take a video. Send it to me, the way you'll be cleaning the doll. I want to see the way you are following the steps and the way you are cleaning your doll. And you also remember, with the help of your guardians, you're also supposed to clean yourself as they watch you clean yourself, following the steps that you will have learned. Now, if you remember very well, which occasions are we supposed to wash our hands? On which occasions are we supposed to wash our hands? Yes, Janet. Teacher, we are supposed to wash our hands before we eat. Very good. Which other occasion are you supposed to wash our hands? After eating. Very good. And which other occasion? When are we supposed to wash our hands? Yes, Oscar. After visiting the toilet. Very good. We said hands are very sensitive. Anything we take in our mouth, it must pass through the hand. Have you ever seen someone eating like this? No. They must pick it with the hand and put it in the mouth. And remember, the first thing we said is make sure you cut your nails first. So what are the materials required to clean our hands? For us to clean our hands, what do we need? First, we talked about a nail cutter. Second thing, we talked about soap. You must have soap. Then the third thing, you must have running water. You don't wash your hands with dirty water. You're supposed to have clean running water. So, who can direct me on how I'm supposed to wash? I will wash, then you people will wash, then you remember to do it at home again with your guardians. So the first step we are saying is you must wet your hands. You cannot put, remember my hands right now are dry. I cannot put soap there and expect to rub against the hands. So I have to wet my hands first. Have you seen? That is wetting. Then I will apply soap. What am I supposed to apply? I'm applying soap. I'm applying soap. So I will rub the soap first. You rub against the hands nicely. Start with the palm. Rub nicely. Turn to the other hand nicely. Then in between the fingers, in between the fingers, in between the fingers, in between the fingers, to make sure you remove all the germs. Then on the upper part of the hand, I clean it nicely. On the upper hand, clean it nicely, seeing. Then I continue rubbing the soap, and you wash at least up to here. At least up to here. Then again, same process we said. Rub. Are you rubbing? Rub in your palm. Rub again the other side in your palm. Then what are we doing? Why are you rubbing? Why are you rubbing? We are rubbing to remove the dirt. We are rubbing here to remove the dirt. Why am I washing in between the fingers? To remove the dirt. Why am I washing in between the fingers? To remove the dirt. I am washing in between the fingers to remove the dirt. Why am I washing on the upper part of the hand? To remove dirt. Why am I washing the upper part of hand? To remove dirt. Then what am I using? I'm using soap. I'm using soap. Soap removes a lot of germs. Then what am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to remove the soap. That is rinsing nicely using clean running water. I'm rinsing nicely using clean running water. I'm supposed to clean running water. Have you seen the way my hands are clean? Are you as clean? Are you as clean like mine? Have you followed the steps? Then what happens after I've rinsed the hands? Remember, when you're using this water, don't waste water. Now, tell me, what happens after you've washed these hands? What happens? Someone will tell me, clean with a towel. No, 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 no. I repeat, no, 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 no. Don't clean your hands with a towel. That towel might have gotten other germs from somewhere else. So once you wash your hands, just wait for them to dry. Don't use a towel to clean it. The possibility that that towel might have gotten some germs from somewhere, it is very high. So don't just go there, clean your hands very fast, then use a towel to dry them. No, avoid using a towel to dry your hands. Do not. It is not good, because that towel might have some germs that might cause even diseases even after you've cleaned your hands. And what are we talking about? Always wash your hands when? Always wash your hands when? Before eating, after eating, and after visiting the toilet. Again, we repeat, when are we supposed to wash our hands? We are supposed to wash our hands before eating, after eating, and after visiting the toilet. And anytime you clean your nose, you're supposed to wash your hands. Remember that. And we said we don't use a hand to clean the nose. Don't use a hand to clean the nose. Any question up to there? Now remember, when you go home today, I've only demonstrated on how you're supposed to clean the hands. Remember, we have to clean our feet, we have to clean our face, we have to clean the whole body, basically the whole body. So what you're going to do is, you're going to take your doll at home, then you put it in water. I want to see the way you will clean it nicely using a sponge, water, and of course clean water. And I'll see the way you will clean each and every part following the steps we have learnt in class. And remember to tell your mother or your father to take a video of you cleaning that doll. And then you bring it tomorrow so that we see who followed the correct steps while cleaning the doll. Any question up to there? Any problem? I hope you'll enjoy cleaning your doll, and I'll receive videos as many as possible. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.